Hey, here's this KB here in Northeast Ohio, back for another little cooking session. I have these beautiful peaches that my son David sent me from Georgia. He lives in California. Actually, we have some really great peaches here in Northeast Ohio too, but they're probably 3-4 weeks away. So anyhow, we're going to get going on these peaches. First, we're going to throw them in with a little bit of boiling water to take the skins off. And we'll see how that works here. And we're finished slicing these up. As you can see, we kind of gave up on trying to skin them all. So we put some skins in there. And hey, I like skins like anybody else, right? Cook them just a little bit with some sugar. Yeah, this is so good looking, huh? Wow. Oh, by the way, 4 cups. That's about right. Got some brown sugar in there. And we'll put some water. Just a little sauce. Half a cup of water. Now we have a stick of butter. I'm going to stick this in the oven until it melts. And we're going to keep on stirring these peaches so they don't stick or anything. And we don't want to just stir them up so they just start to boil. All right, now we're going to add our self-raising flour, 1.5 cups. And we add a cup of sugar, a lot of sugar, and 1 cup of milk. And I'm going to add just a little dab of vanilla to it, just because I can. Kind of like vanilla. I'm going to stir all this up. And now we got to add our batter, and on top our nice butter down there. And we don't mix that up, we just let it lay on there. That's it for that. So now we have to add our peaches on top of this. Yeah, that is looking really, really good. A little bit of nutmeg on it. A whole bunch of cinnamon. We got to put it in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes, you know, until it fries and looks great. So it's been in the oven around 40 minutes. We had to extend it, but it's looking great. So I'm going to take it out now. God, that looks beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Let it cool and I don't know if I got any ice cream now. I'll put it on top, but that's good by himself. We'll eat it later. Hey, now we're ready to eat this peach cobbler. It looks really great. So just gonna cut me a nice big piece. Maybe. It don't matter if it's upside down. It's still gonna be good to eat. Okay. Oh, that looks great. Put a little ice cream on here. Vanilla ice cream. Peach cobbler. Yeah, that really good. Oh, boy. Damn, that's good. I recommend it for anybody. Good. Love it. Okay. Hey, I'd like to thank everybody for sharing this time with me, showing you how to do a peach cobbler. I'm just an amateur, but it's a lot of fun to do, especially when I got a lot of help from my assistant, my daughter, Tryezz. Okay, guys, farewell for now.